Roller skates work by using wheels that are attached to a boot to allow smooth movement across flat surfaces. If you are new to NATEch of Cebu, just hit the subscribe button for free. Wheels and bearings. Roller skates have four wheels that are arranged in either a quad formation where two are in front and another two are at the back, or an inline setup where the four wheels are arranged in a single row like roller blades. Each wheel spins around a metal axle using small ball bearings to reduce friction and allow a smooth movement. Balance and stability. Quad skates offer more stability because of their wider base in their 2x2 configurations. They resemble the main landing gears of an Airbus 350 or a Boeing 767 plane. Inline skates are designed for speed and agility in their 4x1 configurations, but they require more balance. Pushing and gliding. Quad skates push off the ground with one foot, while the inline skates glide forward. The latter is similar to ice skating, but it relies on grip and friction against the ground. Stopping mechanisms. Quad skates have a toe stop at the front, like a pilot pushing down the rudder pedals to slow down or stop an airplane. Inline skates often use a heel brake at one skate at the back. Turning and maneuvering. Leaning on one side applies pressure to the wheels, which allow you to turn. More advanced skaters cross one skate over the other for smoother turns. We can conclude that roller skates were originally inline. They were invented by a Belgian, but the later designs became distributed in a quad position. The later designs were invented by an American. The quad design is fascinating to look at because the roller skaters would look like airplanes that are taking off.